Hey guys, it's Kate with chess.com, and today I want to watch my friends play games in live chess. So, first I need to go to live chess. Press play, live chess, and then once I'm there, I need to actually find my friends. So I'm going to go to the Friends tab and find a friend that is playing a game. Ooh, Grotesque Bold is playing a game. Let's watch. So double click on the game and it will show observing. Now, I want to change games. Let's see what Ooh A Arthur is playing. Double click and observing game. So, that's it. Easy peasy. Boom. You're watching your friends play in live chess. If you have any questions, make sure to find me in live chat or in the support group. Have a great day.